Sodium metal is a potent new superfood. It's a powerful antioxidant, and it helps to neutralize toxic acids and balance the body's pH. It also makes healing hydrogen gas, and is rich in sodium. The only problem is it has a bitter taste and an unpleasant chewy texture. We recently published a paper describing a way to make sodium metal more palatable, by baking it into a compact organic oligomer carbohydrate ingestion enhancer, or cookie. Today we'll be making a batch of chocolate and sodium chip cookies. Start by adding 180 grams of glycerol 1 myristate 2 palmitate 3 oleate to a wide neck flat-bottomed flask. Then add 110 grams of 99.5% pure sucrose and apply mechanical stirring. To achieve high yields, we recommend using the highest quality reagents possible. This can get quite expensive, but we believe that it's worth it. Next, add 2 eggs. Leave the shells on for that extra crunch. This is followed by 140 grams of technical grade sucrose. Then by 5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate and 0.5 grams of sodium chloride. Stir. Reduce the speed of the mechanical stirring and add 280 grams wheat flour, at only $42 per gram from Sigma Aldrich. This stuff is the tits. Chop the standardized chocolate into 5 mm chunks and disperse it uniformly throughout the reaction mixture. Stir. Good job. The next ingredient is the vanillin solution that we forgot to add earlier. Good job. Next, roughly chop up 100 grams of 99.9% sodium metal and add it in a single portion. Continue mechanical stirring. The reaction is complete when the mixture attains the consistency of neglected Play-Doh. Remove and clean the mechanical stirrer. Resist the temptation to lick the beaters. Roll the reaction mixture into 50-gram oblate spheroids and place on a reaction tray. Top each cookie with a slice of sodium metal. Good job, again. There are multiple ways to thermally anneal the carbohydrate matrix of the cookie. The simplest is to gently toast it with a blowtorch. Exercise caution, as it is quite easy to overcook them. If you prefer a crunchier cookie, try lightly dusting one with thermite. While we were optimizing the thermal curing of the cookies, we noticed that the reaction mixture had started to steam. It turns out that if left for long enough, these cookies will slowly bake themselves. This process can be accelerated by placing the reaction mixture in a water bath. The process can become quite vigorous, so be careful when scaling up. The process of transferring the reactants to the reaction vessel still requires some optimization. That concludes this preparation of chocolate and sodium chip cookies. Future work in our laboratory will focus on the synthesis of a red velvet and phosphorus cake. Keep an eye on the Journal of Immaterial Science for more useful synthetic procedures.